Howdy folks, I wanted to show you my latest Leatherman holster. This one is by popular demand. This is for the Leatherman Rebar Multitool. I've had several people request this, along with the Super Tool 300, which will be coming soon. It'll be a very similar holster because the actual tool is very similar. So this is one of Leatherman's smaller tools. A lot of people like it because the tools are all on the inside and the kind of comfort grip's a little bit better. But it still uses the same spring clips to release the tools, and I utilize this in my holster. The tool simply slides in, goes in either direction, and is held in by the spring clips built into the tool. You can easily remove it with one hand, so say this is on your belt, you just reach down, pull it out, put it back. The holster itself is made from strong laser sintered nylon. This is a 3D printed material that is extremely strong, resilient, and because it's not using the plastic to actually do the retention, it's using the springs, this will last for thousands of cycles. The holster itself comes with 5 different belt options. This is the standard BDU belt option, which fits military issue BDU belts. It also works with mole and pads webbing, and then has a keyhole if you want to, say, hang this on a nail. The other options are a version that has a kind of duty belt option for police duty belts or large thick belts, an option that is compatible with Tech-Lock products or mid-mount Chicago screw, an option for top-mount Chicago screw or metal clip products, and then finally an option with an open clip if you want to, say, snap this on your belt, although I recommend the closed clip for the maximum strength. This is available now on my store on shapeways.com. You can get it in 9 different colors. I look forward to seeing what everybody thinks of it. Thank you.